Hey screen printers, it's Ryan from Ryonet. And in this instructional screen printing video, we're going to show you how to screen print onto nylon jackets. Now to accomplish screen printing on nylon jackets, we're going to need a few different tools. First of all, we're going to need a jacket hold down. Now this is our Riley Hopkins jacket hold down, printing on our Riley Hopkins press. But next we're also going to need a different type of ink and specifically a catalyst to mix into that ink to bond to that nylon. This is the IC 900 series of nylon ink, and we have the 900 series catalyst. Now you don't have to use the catalyst with specific 900 series inks. You can use it with any plastisol ink, but it does work best for long production runs with the specific 900 series nylon ink. Now the 900 catalyst mixes into the ink at a ratio of 7% weight, or if you're mixing an entire quart, you can mix 2 ounces to a quart of the nylon ink. 7% of 100 grams, and you can see how thick this catalyst is. It also will dry out over time, so you do not want to leave it on the shelf too long. Once it's mixed in all the way very thoroughly to the ink, your ink will harden in 2 to 3 hours, so you only want to mix up what you're going to use, and you do want to use it right away. Now you notice this ink is pretty thick. It's white ink first of all, and it's got that catalyst in it, which was really thick. So you want to use a low mesh. We're going to be using a 110 mesh on this print. Go ahead and load the jacket. Want to get that on straight, of course. Make sure the print's lined up correctly. Now, this jacket does not have any waterproofing on it. There are some jackets that do have waterproofing on them. For a jacket that does have waterproofing on it, you do need to take that off before printing on it. Otherwise, the ink, even though it has the catalyst, will not adhere to the jacket. To do that, you can use isopropyl alcohol to simply wipe over the printing area, and then it can re-waterproof the surface. For screen printing, once again, low mesh. We want a decent amount of off contact, and that screen really does have to release. And you do need to raise your off contact a little bit on your press when putting on these jacket clamps, depending on the press, sometimes higher than others. So just like any other ink, we're going to flood up. We are going to pull this and we're going to go relatively slow. Once again, off contact is key. You want to let that ink print and then release. So medium angle there, good amount of pressure. Let that screen pop up and release. There we have it, our print. Now this particular print, because this nylon is so smooth and flat, unlike a t-shirt, we don't need a print flash print. It looks nice and bright with just one print directly on the black nylon jacket. In cases that you do need a flash, this material is a little heat sensitive, so you want to raise your flash dryer up or lower the temperature down a little bit. Make sure you're not getting the fabric too hot. Also for curing, it does need to cure at 320 degrees, but once again, make sure the fabric's not getting too hot. You will find that the ink will cure a little bit faster on the nylon fabric than it does on cotton, because the nylon fabric, once again, doesn't absorb as much ink. It stays up on top of the fabric itself. As you can see, that came out great. Thanks a lot for watching, screen printers. You can check out all the supplies we used in this video available on our site, screenprinting.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome screen printing videos.